Hi, welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to open an existing ArcMap document in ArcGIS Pro. So there are three steps basically to do this. The step one is to go and open your ArcGIS Pro, and we have it here. It's taking some time to open. Let's just wait patiently. Okay, and here we are. So you can either open a new project or an existing project. Now I have an existing project, so I'll just click on my tutorials project for it to open. Step one is done. So step two, we go to the insert menu here, and then we can see import map, and import map is here. And that takes us to step three, where we are supposed to navigate to where our project is, our already existing map is. So here we have it in the exercise 3, map projections, and this is our map as we wait for it to open. Okay, so we have it here. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.